So we're going to make a project in MPLAB to program our PIC trainer board. So to start, we're going to open project and then we're going to click project wizard. We're going to select the device that we want. I have the 16F84A. And then we're going to choose the tool suite. I have both the high-tech universal tool suite and the microchip MPASM tool suite. The universal tool suite is for C, the other one is for ASM. And if you click one that you don't have, you'll see a red X. So I'm going to click one that I have no red X's on. I create a new project file, so I'm going to call it lab1, and I've already navigated to the correct folder. And it'll be set up in here. I'm going to include a header file called general.h, which includes macros and predefined constants and all that. And I'm also going to include an ASM file, which is included with your PIC trainer board. All this does really is blink on and off some lights just to show you that it's working. And down here is my source files and my header files. Double clicking on my source shows all the code. As you can see, if you really took the time to look at it, it just pretty much blinks. To assemble this, I go to Project, Build All, or you can go to this side panel and find the button that says Build All and click that. I choose absolutes, that way it always starts from the same spot in memory. And the build succeeded. If it failed, you would know. Now this generated a hex file, and if we go over to my PICkit2 and import a hex, you can find your hex file in the same file folder as your project, and then you can write this out to your PIC trainer board. And my verification failed, but this isn't really that big of a deal. It's just a slight error in the programming of the PICkit2. So it actually did work. So if we look at how to program this PIC kit or this PIC board, I'm using an 18-pin PIC. So I set the switch 1 bank to the first 5 dips off and the next 5 to on, and I leave that on for the entire time. And then on the S4 to program it, I set switch 1 down and switch 2 up. Down is off, up is on. And in this mode it'll program and then it'll start executing the program, but some of your pins will be disabled. If you set all of switch 4 to on, then all the pins will be enabled and you'll be unable to program it. So if you're doing a lot of development, it's better just to leave it here and accept 2 pins are down. If you have your code finalized, switch both up and see if it actually does run.